Welcome to Graphic Quick TV. My name is Chinedum, and if you're passionate about creating stunning designs, you are in the right place. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to apply gradients to different parts of an image in Photoshop. This is a simple but powerful technique that can completely transform your design and make them more vibrant and professional. Now let's dive in. We go to the folder and get our background.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Graphic Quick TV. I am
Okay, we have our background now.
and in today's tutorial
Next,
I
we
will show
go
you how to apply
and
gradient
get our
to
picture,
multiple sides of
the
an image
image.
in Photoshop. If you've ever
So we
wanted
have
to
the
add
image
depth
now.
and creative flair to your designs, this
All
video
right.
is for you. This
Now
technique
we
will
are
help
going
you
to
create eye-catching
apply
effects and
gradients
elevate your design
to
projects
blend
in
the
just a few
image
steps.
into the background. So the
Let's
first thing
dive
we are
in
going to
and
do
get
is
started.
to add layer mask
Hi
to
everyone,
the image.
welcome back to
So we go to
Graphic
layer
Quick
mask,
TV. I am
we click on it,
Chinedum,
and we
and in
go to
today's
gradient
tutorial
tool,
I'm going to show you how to apply gradients
we
to
activate
multiple
it
sides
and
of
we
an
apply.
image in Photoshop. If you've ever
Right.
wanted to add depth
Now
and
we want to
creative flair
apply
to your
the
designs,
same
this video is
gradient
for you.
to the left side of the image.
This
So what are
technique
we
will
going to
help
do?
you
We are
create
going to
eye-catching
convert
effects and
the
elevate
same
your design
layer
projects in
to
just a few
matte
steps.
object. So
Let's dive in and
we
get
right
started.
click the mouse and we convert
Hi
to smart
everyone,
object.
welcome back
Having
to
converted
Graphic
this to
Quick
smart
TV.
object, we are
I
going
am
to apply layer mask again.
and in today's
So
tutorial I'm
we
going to show
apply
you
layer mask,
how to apply
then
gradients
go back
to
to
multiple sides
gradient
of an
tool
image in Photoshop.
and
If
apply.
you've ever wanted to add depth and creative flair to your designs,
All
this
right.
trick is for you.
Next on the
This
line
technique
is
will
to
help you
convert the
create
layer again
eye-catching effects
to
and
matte
elevate your
object.
design projects in just a few steps.
Now this is
Let's
how it
dive
works.
in and
You
get
have to
started.
convert the image layer
Hi
to
everyone,
matte
welcome
object
back to
in order
Graphic
to
Quick
apply
TV.
gradient
I
to
am
another part of
Chinedum,
the image. Okay,
and in today's
so we
tutorial
go
I'm going to show you
to
how
layer
to
mask
apply gradients to multiple
and we go
sides
to
of an
gradient
image
again
in
and we
Photoshop.
apply it
If
somewhere
you've
here.
ever wanted to add depth and creative
All
flair to
right,
your
now
design,
this is
this trick is
what
for
we
you.
have got. This is
This
how
technique will help
to
you create eye-catching effects and
apply
elevate your design projects
gradient
in just
to
a
your
few steps.
image, thereby blending the image
Let's dive in
into
and get
your
started.
background. Now, before we call it a
Hi
day,
everyone,
I want to use
welcome
this
back to Graphic
opportunity
Quick
to
TV.
ask you to
I
subscribe
am
to my YouTube
Chinedum,
channel for
and in today's
more
tutorial I'm going to
graphic
show you
design
how to
tutorial
apply
and tips.
gradients to multiple sides of an
Thank
image
you
in
for
Photoshop.
watching.